Hi, today's Wednesday, June 30, and this week I'm so excited because we are now celebrating the New Year's Eve. So, this Friday, by the way, we will be wearing our New Year's outfit and we are also preparing our fireworks display and dahil kita mga activities and ano. So, muna siya itong istiyahan ka episode, so please stick around.
Hi, this is Owen, and this is IMOHA Podcast.
So, 3 days more to go na lang and we will be celebrating the New Year's Eve and I wish you all a happy New Year. But before we go for the celebration, let's hear our sponsors. So yes, on July 2, we will be celebrating the New Year and ato nang tanawon kung unsa mga palihin nato karong tuiga no o ang ato nang pangandamon ang kanang mga lingin nga mga prutas no and also mga lucky color of the year and also kanang mga kwarta sa ato ang mga pitaka and then of course tanaw nato kung swerte ba ta karong tuiga ang atong mga feng shui no year of the rat ba karon year of the dog, year of the unsa ba na siya no. But wait, ako bangotan na lang ba no? In July 2 na ba New Year ba gyud? So kung kabalo ba mo na July 2, mo ni siya atong sa tuig. And I know daghang kitag mga promises atong kaugalingon atong New Year or maybe we have promises at ubang tao no na this year mo ni siyang buhaton, di ba? And natay mga New Year's resolutions siguro or mga plans for this year, di ba? Kaya kada lagi maghimo mo kitag mga plano good especially in New Year kay lagi New Year, di ba? Kung gitawag nila New Year is a new you, di ba? But ang akong bangutana, asa naman ang New Year's resolution niyo mo ron, di ba? Or asa naman ron ang imong mga plano? This is in the middle of the year and pilan lay tuyok sa buwan and then New Year na sad so bag-o na sad ay kung na mag-recycle na pug New Year's resolution nimo di ba or i-recycle nimo imong mga plano. And normally we forget our plans in the middle of the year. Kung unsa toy mga plano to atong mga ning agi di ba and mo na sana na makalimot na punta no and then it's really time for us to remind ourselves and also it's actually the reminder also for myself no na we still have time to do this New Year's resolution. It's because napatay time di ba wa pa na human ang tuig. And two things Giovanna, I really want to share about my New Year's resolution. The bad one and the good one. So let's start with the good ones. One of my New Year's resolution actually is just to upload weekly newsletter and also a weekly episode. So kabalo na mo kung asa na siya makita, di ba? Regardless of the circumstances, ako nang buhato, no? So far, it's really a good news is because sukla na ko na, bisag wala ko'y tulog, bisag wala ko'y laag, and most of the good happenings na kung sacrifice just for this one. No? So I think this is really the cost of ambition siguro. So I think dili na ka na siya elaborate. No? And those are the good news. But ang akong gusto lang pong i-highlight is the bad ones. One of the New Year's resolution ako ato is actually my health. So yan ako na nadyo ko regular exercise but again wala na ako na nabuhat this year. And actually I really define myself as a 90% workaholic and 10% lazy. And sagad sa good kay nako ang 10% nga lazy sa akong exercise and makaingon jud ko nga I'm really out of shape na nang buko. It's because of pandemic and ang daghan kay kog mga mga gipamati no. It's because of again wala lagi exercise no. And I know it's really bad. Wala na ko na nakuha no but I just really want to share it is because makaingon pud mo na dili lang ka ikaw ang wala ka human sa imong New Year's resolution or imong mga plano, di ba? Meaning nakay kuyog kitang duha. Pwede ta magkuyog yun. Himuan na ito na itong New Year's resolution. And napatay 6 months just to correct it. So, we still have time. Wala pa naman ang tuig. And pwede pa na ito sugdag balik ka. That's why we need to celebrate New Year's Eve on July 2. So, just try to recall what are the plans or maybe the resolutions na imong gibuhat no? And ask yourself, unsa na may status aning nga plan, di ba? If nasugda na, then congrats. No? I hope it remains the same. And then please share naman sa comment section kung nakanabuhat. Para sa nasa ma-inspire. No? And daghan sa makakita ba na okay nagaday gibuhat kid nga New Year's resolution in the middle of the year, di ba? Or maybe you can also share this episode na lang sa mga taong nanghinahanglan og mga motivation this year or maybe just an awareness siguro. No? And if ever pang gani wala pa niyo nasugdan and okay lang gyud kan dungan ta nabudyo kay kuyog and napagay mga tao na ganahan pag na magsugod in the middle of the year. Not just in the New Year's Eve, di ba? So that's why we need to celebrate on July 2 ang atuang New Year's party na to no, or New Year's Day na to. And just in case makinamdaman ako this upcoming January 1 sa 2022 nga New Year's Eve or New Year's Day na to no. So ganahan mo share sa your experience kung unsa may mga nahitabo ninyo from July 2 until the rest of the 2021. Then you can always email your story at imohapodcast@gmail.com and at least ma-feature ka na mo for the next year. And I hope na napugoy makuha mga email sa inyo ha, diba? So really hope that one. So this is really a quick reminder lang sa uban no, na nagay mga butang gid na kailangan po na to na humanon gihapon no. Bisan na ito gamay ba na siya at least we will end this year with a strong finish this 2021, okay? So I think din na ba matapos akong episode and again let's celebrate the new year this July 2. The celebration is actually just a reminder to ourselves that we still have those second half of the year, and just to continue what we have started and also start the things that we haven't started yet. So muna siya itong mga reminder for this July 2. So muna siya a celebration of our new year. If ever ganahan man gani mo follow sa amoa, then we are available in Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and buymeacoffee.com/IMOHA podcast. So nasad mi dito sa Buy Me a Coffee just in case you really want to donate something. Kailangan mo appreciate sa mga trabaho din head. And we really appreciate that. Just in case you really want to visit also. So that's actually started season 3 na siya nagsugod. And yeah, so muna siya ato ang kuan karon. Okay? And again, diyan na matapos ang episode. And again, salamat kayo sa inyong pagpaminaw. And again, Happy New Year. And magkita-kita ta sa sunod na episode. And again, pag-amping mo tanan. And I love you. Bye for now.